Hey YouTube, how have you been? I hope all is well. Hope all is well and everything that's been going on. I am getting a package ready and I figured I come in a video to say hi. So this right here, this package is from Mr. Todd. Mr. Todd, this is his second time getting it. So if you see this package, Mr. Todd, yeah, I'm using you as an example. So he's getting a 30 count. 7, 8, 9, 10. He's gonna get a 15 count also, but he's getting the 30. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, you don't need that, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So he's getting 30. This right here is what I sell out outside. And for the business bundle pack, Todd will be getting these. He's gonna mix them. He's gonna get male and female. And I might throw some Giorgio in there, some old school Cool Water. I might do Harass. You ever had Harass by Paris Hilton? It's a designer, Harass, real bright. It's clean, it's crisp. Not pungent at all, not woodsy. It's just your, it's like my mix. I don't know if you ever got my mix before, but it's fresh, but it has like a little floral, a little playful, not pink sugar, but a little sweet running through it. Harass, and I'll give them that too. So I'm just unboxing. That's what I'm doing, I'm unboxing. And I've been kind of busy. Through this whole thing, I've been kind of busy. It's easy for me to do social distancing, so I've still been outside. And thank you for all that's ordered. I know if you're watching the video, I know you got your pound of original Egyptian musk. I have this much left, and more pounds too. My pounds are on my website, ladyoutside.com. 1 pound of original Egyptian musk, and I use this as a base. I'm gonna put some on. See the thickness of it? Yes, yes. So anyway, we're unboxing. Let me shut this real quick. All right. It's beautiful. All right, just let me get in here. All right. Unboxing. Smells good in here. I have my Tree of Life incense burning. All right, so let's do a little bit of unboxing. That's what we came here for, to unbox. We're looking at the unboxing. So, some of these right here have been ordered because people have ordered them already. But I just wanted to do a couple unboxings just to show you what I got going on. We got right here, this is the regular Egyptian musk. I'm going to be bringing this outside with me today. Regular Egyptian musk. And like I said, I have pounds on my website. LadyOutside.com, everything. This is my pink sugar. I do pounds of those too. Dolce & Gabbana light blues, because I make things out of my oils. I mix stuff. So this is the light blue. I sell this to men and women. When I mix it, yeah. What else do I have? Amber white. What else do I have? And I do hand sanitizer, and I put aloe vera in mine. It's nice, rich, and creamy. So so far we got all these going, like Dolce Light Blues, Egyptian Musk, Amber White, Pink Sugar. And of course I'm gonna include some of those in Todd's sample thing. I know he'll like all of those. And then I just got bottles and stuff going on. And I got another one too here. Let's see. To work out a little bit. So how have you been? How have you been doing? Have you been doing your business? Have you been wearing your fragrances, at least smelling good? Because I've connected with new people, because people are like, oh, I see you out here. And some people are getting out the house, you know, right about now because they want to stay safe and they weren't working. This right here goes to Selena. And I do the 4 ounces too. These are on my website too. But they're just, I wanted to unbox and just show you a couple things that I had going on. This is my Noor Black Woman, it's called. It's very exotic, very kind of woodsy. It reminds you of Patti LaBelle a little bit because of the color. And then when it first goes on, the powder mist, the powder, strong powder smell. But once it gets on you, the Black Woman, it's just like a man can wear it. A man can wear it, and it wouldn't smell girly. It's exotic. And I got other companies going on. This is Insurrection. Insurrection. And these are going to be broken down to ounces. I do pounds. I do the 4 ounces. And I do the ounces in the fat jumbo roll-on bottles. And then I got just a couple of play ones. Pretty much. Gucci Guilty, Anucci, Lagerfeld, Eternity, Blue Nile, Savage Dior, Dolce & Gabbana. So these are just a little bit play ones that I'm going to have outside. These are my plays. And then I'll make things with these too. The burning oils and everything too. What's another one? This one is 1 Million by Paco Rabanne. So yeah, I'm just over here unboxing. And I'm going to be going out later too. So all these beauties you see right here. See all these beauties? Do you see them all? All these beauties will be in glass. I carry them in plastic, but I deliver to you in glass. And yeah, by the way, I know when you get my packages, probably like, yeah, you notice my packages are not fancy smancy. Maybe because I'm Lady Outside. I put them in I make sure they're bubble wrapped and I send them to you, but I don't have the little fancy doo-doo-doo on it or whatever, but I might get a little bit better. Because rest assured, I'm always outside. But I'm going to come more in my house. They're going to be a little bit better. But the top fragrances, I would say, out of all, if you're wondering, like, how do they smell? I think the top fragrance, I would say, that men and women would move on would be Dolce & Gabbana. And the light blue, it's called Dolce & Gabbana Crisp Blue. That's what it's called. Light blue, crisp blue. But this is the kind that I get, and I'll guarantee by the end of about 3 or 4 days, this will be gone. It will be. Try some. Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. I might come later in another video. And I know a couple people wanted to know how do you start a business outside, or just know the basics of starting a business, period. Because whether you're outside, whether you're inside, business principles are still the same, because they are. You could sell a t-shirt and it'll still be the same. T-shirt and a candle's not the same, but it's still business principle. But click the link at the bottom, and I have some goody resources down below, and you can start your flow of business ownership, because there is nothing like it at all. Yay, YouTube! I'm almost reaching 800 subscribers. Subscribe, share this video with somebody that likes oil fragrances, and the next time I come back, I'll be outside. Push the like button, smash the like button. Bye. Oh, I'm gonna get my packages, because we're going outside. That's where I'm headed to. Outside, and you can visit me online 24 hours a day. www.ladyoutside.com. Ladyoutside.com. Thank you for ordering from me. I appreciate you. I really do. Stay safe.